The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of x times y? Once again, system of equations, best way to solve for these is using Desmos. Let's go graph it, and then once we have the x and y value, we're going to multiply them together. Let's go for it. So here we go. Both equations are typed in. The solution is 0.63. That's where the two lines are intersecting. Now let's go ahead and take 0.6 and multiply it to 3. And you find your answer is 1.8. So that's it. The answer is 1.8.